Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to lesson number 1 of our Tajweed workshop. Today we will learn the rules of Noon and Mim Mushaddada. We will learn Ghunnah. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wa salatu wassalam ala Rasulillah. Lessons will be broken down into theory, followed by examples and practical application, and then a recap. So let's move on to the theory. So a noon or a meme is mushaddada. This means has a shadda or a tashdeed on it, which is the little W sign that we see on top of words. Then the reader, as in you and me and whoever is reading, must do ghunnah, nasalization, for 2 harakat. So if we read a noon or a meme with a shadda on it, we must make a nasal sound. For example, anna, an, Can you see the, well, you can't see it literally, but the sound is coming from my nose. That's why when I block it, the sound does not come out. We must do this for 2 harakat. 1 haraka is the amount of time it takes to pronounce a fatha, dhamma, kasra, or zabar, zair, pesh, as you may know it. So 1 haraka is the amount of time it takes to lift up a finger to say this. For example, a, that's 1 haraka. U, that's another haraka. I, that's 1 haraka. A, u, I. So 2 harakas is double that. So it's the amount of time it takes to put it up and put it back down. For example, a, u, I. So we must do ghunnah for 2 harakat. Anna, amma. So when stopping on a word ending with noon or mim mushaddada, noon or mim with shadda on it, the ghunnah must still be pronounced. So let's take a look at some application now. So in this first example here we have anna. Remember, nasalization, we have to do that. Anna, the sound will come from my nose or your nose. Anna, amma, and it's for 2 harakat, the amount of time it takes to lift 1 finger up and put it back down. So I will read it and you read after me, inshallah. Anna. Learners, whilst you're learning, it is advised to use your fingers to measure harakat, but as you get used to it, you'll be able to do it intuitively, inshallah. You won't have to use your fingers, you'll just know how to measure the time. So once again we have anna, anna, anna. Next we have la tarawunna. Can you see we have the shadda here? La tarawunna, la tarawunna. And as we mentioned, if we stop on the word, we still have to read the ghunnah. We still have to pronounce the ghunnah. For example, la tarawun, la tarawun, la tarawun. Next we have annasi, annasi, that's annasi, noon with shadda. Now we move on to bin nasiyati, bin nasiyati, bin nasiyati. Or as you may know, when we stop on the ta marbuta, we don't pronounce it bin nasiyah. It changes to a ha if we stop on it. Bin nasiyah, bin nasiyah. Next we have bi jahannam, bi jahannam, bi jahannam, bi jahannama. And now we move on to meme with a shadda on it. So it applies to noon with a shadda and it applies to meme with a shadda. As we can see in these examples, these memes here have shadda on them, or tashdid as you may call it. So they are noon and mim mushaddadah. So let's read amma, amma, amma. Nasalization, Ghunnah. The sound doesn't continue if I hold my nose. Wa amma, wa amma, wa amma. Next we have fa amma, fa amma, fa amma. And then fa ummuhu, fa ummuhu, fa ummuhu. And last but not least, inna, inna, inna. And now we move on to a recap. So if a noon or meme has shadda on it, then we do ghunnah for 2 harakat, even when stopping. So whenever a noon or a meme has a shadda on it, we do ghunnah for 2 harakat, even if we're stopping on that word. For example, we would say la tarawunna, la tarawunna al-jahim. But if we were stopping on la tarawunna, we would still read the ghunnah. La tarawun, la tarawun. And with that, we'll end this lesson, inshallah. I hope you've taken benefit from it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and to share this with your friends and family. Share the gift of learning to read the Quran with them. Inshallah, you will get reward, I will get reward, and they will get reward. Let's all share the rewards together. But with that, take care, and I'll see you on the other side, inshallah. Ma'as salama. Take care.